Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And Gemini, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And Gemini, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. It's Whips, Ring, and Clouds. So, in your circumstances today, you have something confusing you. There may be some confusion about something. Maybe you need to make a choice, a very important decision today, but you lack clarity. And you are wishing beautiful things for this connection and you are hoping that things will take you towards the next step, marriage or commitment. But something is holding you back. It may be something about this person, maybe they are too obsessed with some habits or they have something they need to do, change their ways because they are quite different. So, though you are a very loving person, you may have a level of understanding with them. Mutual love, respect, caring, and understanding is there in this connection, but still, circumstances are little difficult, and you need to go out of the way if you are wishing some beautiful things for yourself, for this love, and you are expecting this person to change for you, for this relationship, because they have something, they are obsessed with some habits or it may be some addictions they have and they are trying to bring it under control, or you are expecting them to control these habits before you are thinking of marriage or commitment. So that is the reason for confusion. You don't know what you need to do, whether you can wait or whether you can move to the next step. So we will see what is the card. Rider, a very beautiful card. So I feel that no matter what challenges you see in your situation, you are someone courageous, determined, focused, Gemini, determined to achieve whatever you wish for, and that is the reason you are going to achieve everything, whatever you hope for today in your situation. And Gemini, your determination, your devotion to this love, maybe you are the one changing these addictions or trying to change these addictions for this love of this person. So you are trying to bring your circumstances under control. So your devotion is going to see the rewards today, Gemini. So something beautiful is coming for you, something unexpected, and it's a very good start, a very good news. And this person is thinking of something wonderful for this love, for this connection. Maybe they will come with a marriage proposal or engagement. Something is happening today in your relationship, Gemini. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. snake. So, in your work circumstances, there may be some opportunities. It may look like something good, something that may give lucrative returns, but you must be careful because it may have some hidden agenda, something that may not work well for you. So, if you are making any important choices, this may not be the right time. You need to postpone these decisions a little, Gemini. So, that is the energy for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this first card, we will see what it is. Tambulina, expectations. So in your circumstances today, you may feel that people are not treating you the right way. People do not value you or respect you for what you are. There are a lot of challenges you are facing right now. But you need to understand that if you do not know the worth of something, we will not know anything, the value of something, we will not know anything of that object. So, the same way, people do not know your value. That is the reason they are not treating you the right way. So, you are going to find the people who will respect you and who will understand you as you are. And people, your soul family, will find you. And you do not have to accept relationships where you feel that you do not love them and they do not love you. And maybe today you may have something confusing you, lack of clarity may be there. You may feel ridiculed or rejected for being different, but you need to understand that at the right time you will find what you are, your true name, your true soul family. And this is the time for you to make your own friendship, make your own, find your own relationship. It is time for you to take care of yourself, to choose for yourself, and maybe in all these troubles and challenges, do not lose hope and do not lose your warm spirit, that warm heart you have, because you are a very loving and a very kind person. You should never forget that. And there is no one like you. You are so unique, and you will find the people who are unique like you, who are similar like you. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a crystal spirit card. So this crystal spirit card is here to tell us that angels are there guiding us today, guiding us in our life, nudging us forward, or whispering to us, sending us love and helping us in any specific challenges we are facing in this relationship. So these angels are our friend, the perfect teacher, and the ones who heal us. And the ones who heal us by connecting us to people who are like us. So, sometimes you may feel that strangers may tell you some words and it may have a very deep impact on you. You need to understand that it is the angel's message for you, guidance from the angels coming through some strangers at some time. So you need to pay attention to those help or the unexpected help that is coming to you. And today, if you reach out to these angels, if you just pray to them in a very, what to say, pray to them in a very open way, telling them what you need in your heart of hearts. If it is a very simple prayer, a heartfelt cry for help, that is going to give you the answers you need today, guys. And the angels and guides who are here looking for you, looking out for you, will come out, reach out for your prayer and will help you today. So, a very beautiful guidance here, guys. And this crystal is about opening the chakras in our body to welcome the blessings and abundance that is coming, that is all around us, and to clear all the energetic attachments we may have. So, this is the stone for us to feel that connection towards that higher power, angels or God, whatever we may call it. So, that is the energy here with this card for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.